Anyway, Blitz, I hope you're doing okay.
Yeah, it could be better.
Well, it looks like Stolas is having fun. Stupid bird stealing. Where are they going exactly? They are going in my party ball pit, of course. Don't they like hate? Yeah, well, I sent them both that way, and they can figure it out, you know? Like, I don't know what their plan exactly is, but maybe they will get along. No worries.
So much for befriending one another. They're so hot.
I wouldn't say hot.
Sexy?
No, more like lame.
Lame?
A little, especially Blitz.
Look at him go. Oh, look at him go. Oh, he pushed him. Oh. Blitz, Blitz, you have to apologize for attacking him. Apologize. Apologize.
Oh,
Blitzy,
why should I apologize to him?
you attacked him.
You disturbed him?
Blitz. What was that? What? What was that?
Say that again. I couldn't hear it. I couldn't quite make it out. Sorry! There's where he watches come. No, he find me.
About to enter a little human game that's based on zombies. Blitz, Blitz, I don't want to talk to you right now. I'm with him, alright? I'm with him. I'm with him. Alright, but it's like very sickening, and because obviously zombies are not real.
No, I know.
But humans believe in them?
You think so?
Blitz. Oh, is that a kink? Human news. Pick up Verosika. Verosika, come here. Don't interact with the human news.
I'm sorry, but I'm a pop star. I'm famous.
Yes. Burning it?
Oh my god.
You're scared?
I'm not scared about zombies.
It's my place. It's my place.
Strip club. No, Blitz, no. No, Blitz, no. Go on.
Show up.
It's freaking fun. Oh! Oh!
God, this is your
my
place.
God.
It's my place.
Woo! Yeah!
Yeah.
The horse! Hello! Hello! No, we're in the quarantine zone.
Do we have to kill the zombies or make them better?
Kill them, send them to hell.
kill them.
Send them to hell.
Heal?
No, kill.
No, kill. Oh, kill them.
Okay, all for kill.
Yeah. I don't know.
Well, that was so fun.